nasaksihan ng buong mundo ang paglaban ni Muhammad Ali sa Thrilla in Manila. Ang ilan sa mga umaatikabong laban ni Manny Pacquiao para itayo ang bandera ng Pilipinas sa boxing arena. At ang mga tagumpay ng mga PBA legends across generations. Sa aming mga universidad, nahubog ang marami sa mga hinahangaaang collegiate athletes. And we are very proud that some of our nation's very best on the global sports arena are Q citizens, like Alex Ayala, for example. Quezon City knows what it means to host greatness. And this is the experience that we want every Palaro athlete to carry with them in 2027. A champion's experience. The same feeling countless world-class athletes have known on our grounds. Alam namin na napakataas ng standards na kailangan naming abutin. Our work has already begun, and we hope that our Palaro in QC next year will pave the way for many more success stories, ones that will be told in the Philippine sports scene in the years ahead. On behalf of the Quezon City government and our 3.3 million Q citizens, I am humbled and excited as we accept the enormous responsibility to host the champions of this generation. Kaya, sa 2027, tara na sa QC! Maraming salamat! Mabuhay ang bagong henerasyon ng atletong Pinoy. God bless us all.